Today's video we are about to head to another beautiful spot located in Aumanao village, Narathiwat province, Thailand. This hidden gem in southern of Thailand offers an incredible combination of majestic rock mountain views and the calming sea. It is the ideal place to unwind and connect with nature and surroundings. Okay guys, let's take a walk and explore the stunning surroundings. So the blend of towering rock formations and the gentle waves of the sea, you can see there. So they create a unique and tranquil atmosphere. I'll share you some interesting facts about this beautiful area and capture its natural beauty. Look guys, there's a swing over there. Swing with a big tree. You see the monkeys over there. Hello monkeys. This is Chuchomview. Chuchomview means the viewpoint. So we're about to go up there and then see how is the view up there. So there are steps, ladder here. We can take a step to go up there. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. There is it, bro. Woo! This is another unseen spot that no one knows about it except the people who live in Narathiwat province mostly know about this spot. And so this is my fourth time I've been here. I come here. Actually, I will come here in every of my vacation to see the best atmosphere, best nature view around here. See. Guys, next we are going to explore the waterfall of the area. Actually, there is a waterfall here at the end of the road. So we're about to go and see it. Oh. Guys, we're almost there. The waterfall of Aumanao beach. But I don't know if there will be water or not, because normally there will be water flowing down here when it rains, like when it's pouring. But if there was no rain, the water may not flow so much and it will form a groove in the waterfall instead. You can see here, yeah, no water instead. This is the waterfall area of Aumanao beach. This exploring trip to Aumanao village has been again a rewarding experience. So the combination of rock mountain views, the serene waterfall and the sea together, they create a truly magical atmosphere. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to One Vlog for more outdoor adventures. See you again, guys.